In this problem, the goal is to get the amount of water that is trapped if within the inputted grid the number is equivalent to the height of a block. So in order to do so, the maximum height of the leftmost value and rightmost values is gone, and the water is initialized, and then using the two-pointer solution, the left and right are set in a while loop, and if the current rightmost value is less than the leftmost value, then the left is incremented by 1, and the heights are then compared, and if the current height is greater than the maximum left height, then the maximum left is set. Otherwise, the water is gone by getting the maximum minus the current height, because the water of each area can be gotten by the minimum heights of each pillar surrounding it. So, because the right max is less than the left max, the height can be calculated by getting the left max minus the height. And otherwise, if the left max is lesser than the right max, then the right is subtracted by 1. And if the current height is greater than the right max, then the height is updated. Otherwise, the water is added similarly by subtracting the right max with the current height. And after that, the water is returned once the left and right reach the center.